Looking to enhance your team's skills while minimizing training expenses? With PMT's state reimbursed training program, you can receive up to 100% off on SPRI and NC Simul training. Step 1. Book a planning meeting. Meet with a PMT Business Development Manager to assess your team's needs, schedule your session, and begin the application process for your state's reimbursement program. Step 2. Apply for reimbursement. PMT handles all the paperwork on your behalf, ensuring a seamless approval process for your training reimbursement. Step 3. Get free training courses. Our expert application engineers deliver customized training on-site, virtually, or at an approved facility. Once the training is complete, you receive your reimbursement through the state's program. By taking advantage of state-reimbursed training, you'll minimize out-of-pocket expenses, boost employee skills and productivity, gain a competitive edge effortlessly, and improve employee satisfaction and retention. PMT, empowering your team with the skills they need while saving you money. Head to our website for more information at pmtechnologies.com.